Y'all doing today? It's Miss Vicki B. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a Grove unboxing. I finally got another Grove order in. Now this might be my last Grove order for a while. If y'all watched my video where I organized my cabinet in my laundry room, you'll see that I have got plenty of cleaners. But I can't help but order sometimes when they get a new product or something that I just want. But I'm going to try not to order again, at least for a couple of months. I know for sure I'll be ordering in the fall because I've never got my hands on their pumpkin scented Mrs. Meyer's. But if they come out with something new, I might order before then. But we're just going to do this Grove unboxing for today. I wanted to show y'all my shirt that my husband got me. Tag you, Mom. We have a Tegu. His name is Achilles. I'll probably do a video with him one day, but I just like my shirt, so I wanted to show y'all. Let's get started with this video. Okay, let's get this box open and see what's in here. This is not a big haul like I did the last time. It is just a few things. Okay, some of this is going to be a couple of items that I just wanted to stock up on so I'd have extra. And I know there's at least two things in here that I haven't tried before. So let's see what we got. Okay, this is the 7th generation disinfectant spray. It's pretty much like Lysol. I've bought a couple of scents before, but I think this is a different scent. It's fresh citrus and thyme. I can't wait to try that one. I bet it smells really good. And this is something I order a lot. I clean my stovetop with it. Method Heavy Duty Degreaser in the lemongrass citronelle scent. This stuff works great when you spill grease on your stovetop, especially even if it dries. You just spray it on there, leave it for a few minutes, and it gets it off, and it's got a really good smell to it. I really like that. I think I've got part of a bottle in the kitchen and another full bottle in my cabinet, so this will give me an extra one. Oh, wow. This is something I've never tried. It's the 7th generation all-purpose cleaner. It's a fresh morning meadow scent, and that's what got me to want to try it, was the name of the scent. I was like, oh man, I gotta smell that. But y'all, I didn't even pay attention to how big the bottle was. 23 ounces. That is a huge bottle of multi-purpose cleaner. I can't wait to try that out. I might try that out next week, because the way I do my cleaners, my multi-purpose sprays, is I use a scent for a week and then I rotate it. Like every week I use a different scent, and I just rotate them out like constantly. And so I'm going to put this in my kitchen for next week, and that's what I'm going to use then. I can't wait to smell that. Okay, I've already got the Mrs. Meyer's, what is it, multi-purpose cleaner in the Daisy scent. I wanted to try the room spray. I don't use a lot of room sprays because of my husband's allergies, and of course flowers is not going to be good for that. But I just wanted to try it, and I'll just use it lightly here and there. I know it smells good because I've already smelled the multi-purpose spray. What else do we got? Some walnut scrubber sponges. I try to get some of those with every order if I can. I really like those. And this is probably the last item in here. Yeah, like I said, this was a small order. This was a free gift that they sent me. Bio laundry detergent. I guess Dirty Labs might be the the brand, I don't know. But that's something to try out. Looks like they got 2 packs in here. One of them is Magnolia Bergamot Cedar Scent. And this one's fragrance free. I'm going to try those out the next time I do laundry. Okay, that's all of the haul. Now we're going to check in my cabinets and see how messy they've got over the last couple of weeks, or if I've done a fairly decent job of keeping them in order. And then I'm going to see if I can find a spot for this new stuff in there. Okay, so it's mainly this one side over here that I keep most of my cleaners and stuff in. And as you can see, it's still in pretty decent order. There's a couple of things just pushed around a little bit where I've been getting stuff in and out, but that is not bad at all. I'm happy with that. I'm going to stick these laundry detergent samples right up here by my pods so that I'll remember to use them when I wash clothes again. Up there is pretty full. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this extra stuff that I stocked up on in this empty spot right here. I know I've got probably about a half a can or something of this left in the kitchen, so I'm going to stick that up here. That's the one little bit of room spray I had left. I'm going to stick both of these over here so that I can put the multi-purpose spray on this side with my other multi-purpose sprays, and the sponges will go in the kitchen cabinet. So I think I did pretty good at keeping that cabinet decent until now. A lot of times it would have been messy by now. Hopefully it'll stay that way. I'm going to check on it, you know, every few days to a week or two and just make sure it kind of stays in order. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that y'all are keeping me up with doing my organizing and keeping it organized, because I know that I have to do it now or y'all are going to call me out on it. So hopefully it'll stay that way for a while. And like I said, this will probably be my last Grove unboxing for just a little while. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all have a good day.